Tracker Doppler Radar, sponsored by bankruptcy attorney E. Orem Young. Now, your local weather with meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, good Saturday evening to you. Hopefully your day was wonderful despite the nasty weather that we saw across the ArkLaMiss today. Thick low clouds and some isolated showers have been throughout the day, and it's been another soupy one too with very humid conditions and warm temperatures. You can see those low clouds on the tower cam. We're currently still sitting at 69 degrees this evening, and our dew point is at 67, so this atmosphere is very, very warm and very, very juicy, especially for this time of year. Temperatures across the ArkLaMiss are in the upper 60s mainly, even some lower 70s still off towards the south. So yeah, very, very warm air in place, and it is unstable to an extent, and it's also very, very moist. Here's our dew point temperatures, so not too far off from our actual air temperature here, and yeah, not surprising considering what we have in store for us. Here's our system currently in Texas and Oklahoma. You're seeing that line of storms that has formed. Now, this initial line will weaken. However, once the front gets here later tonight, we'll have another area of showers and thunderstorms developing, and that's what will bring our threat of heavier rain and even maybe some severe weather. But live storm tracker Doppler radar brought to you by Orem Young is showing that really we only have isolated light showers across the area, although we're starting to pick up on maybe some heavier returns off towards the west as that cold front pushes closer. So let's time out what we can expect here as we go through the evening. Again, that line's going to kind of fizzle out here by the time we get to about midnight tonight into Sunday morning, and then they redevelop right over central portions of the ArkLaMiss and continue through our Sunday morning and through Sunday afternoon as well. So looks like that'll be the best time to see those showers and thunderstorms, mainly after midnight tonight, and then the clouds will clear out after that. Cooler temperatures will fill in and it'll leave us with a very, very nice Monday. But for tonight, we could see some isolated storms up in southern Arkansas that could pose a very low and for severe weather here. Only a marginal risk, 1 out of 5, but with the line coming in for Sunday morning into the early afternoon, there is that marginal risk for everybody else. So again, this accounts for mainly a damaging straight line wind threat, maybe even some small hail too, but tornadoes really not looking likely, so you don't have a lot of upward vertical motion or just instability to work with. So, but I think the higher threat that we're going to see with this storm is the heavy rainfall. Our future trackers picking out maybe upwards of 2.5 inches across central portions of the ArkLaMiss. So localized flooding could be an issue as this thing kind of stalls out over us and will leave us with a soggy Sunday. So the 7-day forecast shows that we do have drier times on the way as we kind of round out 2019 here, and temperatures will drop into the upper 50s once again. We'll have clear skies too, so clouds will start to filter back in late New Year's Eve night and through the first day of 2020 here, and then showers and storms returning with another system just after that. And we could be seeing nice weather, though, by the time we start our first weekend of 2020. That's going to be it for weather. More coming up with sports and Spencer Tillis after the break. You're watching NBC 10 News.